Hello everyone, welcome to LRDIprep. My name is Samir Sardana, and in this video I'm going to do a set of quantitative reasoning which was asked in CAT 19 slot 2. It's a matrix and pouch set. It's a matrix based puzzle, a kind of magic square. A very beautiful puzzle based on the concept of quantitative reasoning, as I have uploaded a number of videos on the quantitative reasoning already on this channel. This, I guess, would be a easy puzzle for all of you, but let's have a look at it because it's a CAT original set. All of you must do this set before CAT exam. Guys, I have done my MBA from University Business School, Punjab University, and you can attend my live classes on Unacademy for Quant and DLR section. I have 10 years of experience teaching for CAT exam, and you can use my referral code LRDISME live to attend my courses. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and share it with all of your friends and like it and comment on it. Let's have a look at the puzzle here, guys. So what we have in this is there's a matrix of 3 into 3 given here, and explanation is like this. The 3 pouches, each represented by a filled circle, are kept in each of the 9 slots in a 3 into 3 grid as shown in the figure. So we have a 3 into 3 grid, right? Column 1, column 2, column 3, row 1, row 2, and row 3, right? And we have, and in every cell, 3 pouches are kept, right? 3 pouches are kept. Every pouch has a certain number of 1 rupee coins, right? Each of the pouch has some number of 1 rupee coin. We don't know that number. And further it says the minimum and the maximum amount of money in rupees among the 3 pouches in each of the 9 slots are given in the table. Now there's another 3 into 3 table given to you, which represent the minimum and the maximum number of coins in a pouch in particular cell. For example, if I look at this row 1 and column 1 cell. Now row 1 and column 1 cell is this one. And it says that the minimum number of coins kept in one of the pouches is 2 and the maximum number of coins kept in a pouch are 4. So you just need to straight away use this value, that in each of these 3 pouch, 1 coin has a minimum number of coins as 2 and the 1 coin has a maximum number of coins as 4. That means if this is a minimum and the maximum number of coins in pouches in this particular cell, what are the possibilities for this cell? Can I say that this pouch will be containing the number of coins which would be greater than equal to 2 and less than equal to 4? So I have 3 possibilities for this. It can be 2, 3 or 4. This pouch can contain either 2 coins or 3 coins or 4 coins as per the definition here, because minimum are 2 and the maximum are 4. So this cannot go more than 4, cannot go below 2. So it has to be between 2 and 4, including 2 and 4 itself, because nowhere it's mentioned that the pouches cannot have the same number of coins. 2 pouches in a particular cell can also have same number of coins, because no such information is given that 2 pouches cannot contain the same number of coins. Okay. Moving forward, let's see that what else it's given as an example, right? How to read this table. You can easily go through it. Now question says the 9 pouches in any of the 3 columns as well as in any of the 3 rows is it is known that the average amount of money in rupees kept in the 9 pouches in any column or in any row is an integer. So I have 9 pouches column wise, I have 9 pouches row wise. If I take the average of the total money of these 9 pouches, it should be an integer. That's the condition given here. Now guys, tell me, if I'm finding the total number of coins and finding the average of it, it has to be an integer. When I'm finding the average of the coins in the 9 pouches, I will be dividing it by 9 because the number of pouches are 9. Now, if I want average to be an integer, can I say the number here should be a multiple of 9? Only then the average will come out to be an integer. Now, that's a point that you need to solve this set on. Now, this is a basic concept. You have to look for those values where the numbers are supposed to be the multiple of 9. Also, it is given that the amount of money kept in the 3 pouches in the first column of the 3rd row. This is the first column of the 3rd row is rupees 4. And if you look at here, first column, 3rd row, the minimum number of coins are 1 and the maximum number of coins are 2. Minimum 1, maximum 2. So this particular coin, this particular pouch will have one coin because total it is given to be as 4. This complete cell contain 4 coins. This contain 1, this contain 2, so this will contain only 1 coin, right? So this is what we have here. Now let's fill in the value here. If you look at this, the minimum number of coins are 6, maximum is 8. This will be anywhere between 6 and 8. If you look at this value, This is 1, minimum 1, maximum 3. If you look at this, minimum 3 and the maximum 5. If you look at this, minimum 1, maximum 1. Now you see that the minimum is 1, maximum is also 1. That means this value cannot be anything else other than 1. So this has to be 1 only. If you look at this particular cell, minimum 6, maximum 20. Minimum 6, maximum 20. If you look at this 1, we have already filled this. This is 1, 2 again, minimum 1, maximum 2. This says minimum 2 and the maximum 5. All right. Now we have only one information to use, that the average should be a multiple of 9. Let's start from here. If you look at the number of points here, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 4, 18. The number of points that I already have in these pouches are 18, and I don't know the value in these two pouches. So what I should be adding to 18 so that it's become a multiple of 9. 18 plus something which is a multiple of 9, the number is, next immediate number is 27. After that we have a number of 36. But then the values in both of these two has to be greater than equal to 2, less than equal to 4. And the value here in this particular pouch should be greater than equal to 3 and less than equal to 5. So the maximum value that you can take in the number of, in these two pouches in terms of number of points is 9. So the only possibility to make the total of this as a multiple of 9 is to add 9 to the value, because the next number which is greater than 18 and multiple of 9 is 27. And to make it as a 27, I need to take the number of coins as 9 here. So now tell me what value I should be taking here if I want the total of these two values to be a summation of, to be having a summation of 9. Tell me what value I should be keeping over here. You see that the only possibility, because the maximum number of points here you can put is 4. So 4 and 5 is the only way to go forward. Because if I put 4 coins here, 5 coins here, total will become 9, and that will become total. This will give me a total summation of 27 of these 9 pouches, which will be a multiple of 9, right? Look at this here now. We have 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 3, 17, 17 plus 3, 20 here, right? Now, what should I be adding to 20 to make it a multiple of 9? A number which is greater than 20 and a multiple of 9 is 27. So I need the summation of the coins in these two pouches to be equal to 7. Why not 36? Why can't we make it as a summation of 36? Because 36 is also a multiple of 9. You need to see that here. Maximum value of points that you can put over here is 8, and the maximum number of points that you can put over here is 2. So the maximum summation that you can get in these two cells is 10, right? So therefore, it's not possible to make a summation of 36 here. The only possibility is to make a summation of 7, so that this becomes 27 and the number of points in these pouches becomes a multiple of 9. So now if I want the summation of these two cells to be 27, what should be the number of points I should be keeping here? If I keep 7 here, I'll be keeping 0 here. No, that's not possible. I need more than 1 and less than 2 coins. So I'll be putting 6 coins here and 1 coin here. 6 plus 1 will become 7, right? Why not 5 here and 2 here? 5 is not possible because minimum is 6, maximum is 8. I need a value which is greater than equal to 6, less than equal to 8. The only possibility is to put 6 coin here and 1 coin here, right? No other will work. No other values will work. Okay, now this is a multiple of 9. Now if you look at this row wise, this is 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 6, 16 plus 6, 22 plus 8, 30, 30 plus 4, 34. Now tell me, what should I be adding to 34, which should be greater than equal to 1, less than equal to 33, so that it becomes a multiple of 9. A number which is greater than 34 and a multiple of 9 is 36. If I want this summation to be 36, I need a value 2 here. So I need to put 2 here. Why not 45? Why don't you take it as 45? Why can't I put 11? See that you need to look at the minimum and the maximum number of points here, right? Now if you look at this column, this row, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 3, 16, 16 plus 6, 22, 22 plus 20 would be 42. A number which is greater than 42 and a multiple of 9 can be 45. or it can be 54 also. For that I need a value of 12. It can be 63 also. For that I need a value of 21. Now tell me a number which is greater than equal to 6 and less than equal to 20 with these possible option. You see that 3 is not coming in this range, 21 is not coming in this range. The only possibility is to put 12 coins here, right? Now, if you look at here, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 12, 24, 24 plus 20, 44, 44 plus 7 is 51. Now, 44 plus 7 would be 51. Now, tell me a number I should be putting over here that should be greater than equal to 2, less than equal to 5, and should be greater than 51, right? 6 plus 6, 12. 12, 24, 44, 49, 52, 51, right? Also, if you look at the summation in this row, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 10, 18. I need a number, sorry, 8 plus 7, 15. I need a number which I should be adding to both of these two values, should be making it a multiple of 9, and it should be in the range of 2 and 5. The only number possible is 3, because 51 plus 3 will also become 54, and 15 plus 3 will also become 18, and that will make it a multiple of 9. So you need to take this number as 3, right? Now the whole matrix is filled and you can answer all the questions, right? Now let's quickly go through the questions here. Now let's look at the question number 1. What is the total amount of money in rupees in the 3 pouches kept in the first column of the second row? First column of the second row. First column of the second row. There's a second row, first column. Total amount of money is 5 plus 5 plus 3. That is 13. So the answer to this question is 13. How many pouches contain exactly 1 coin? How many pouches contain exactly 1 coin? You see that this pouch contain 1 coin. All 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. 3 to 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total number of pouches which contain exactly 1 coins are 8. So the answer to the question is 8. What is the number of slot for which the average amount of its 3 pouches is an integer? What is the number of slots for which the average amount in rupees of its 3 pouches is an integer? So if I'm looking for the average of 3 pouches, the total should be a multiple of 3. This is having a total summation of 10. So this is not a multiple of 3. 6 plus 6 plus 8 is 20, not a multiple of 3. This you can see is a multiple of 3, right? This particular cell, right, is a multiple of 3. 3 plus 2 plus 1. This is a multiple of 3. 5, 5, 10, 13 is not a multiple of 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. This is a multiple of 3. 18 plus 20, 20, 48. This is a multiple of 3, right? 18, 8. Sorry, this is not a multiple of this. Total summation is coming out to be 38. 2 plus 1 plus 4. This is not a multiple of 3. This is not a multiple of 3. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 3, 10. This is not a multiple of 3. So only 2 cells, summation of the number of coins in only 2 cell is a multiple of 3. So the question says, what is the number of slots for which the average amount of its 3 pouches is an integer? The number of slots are 2. Only 2 such cells, or you can say 2 such slots. The number of slots for which the total amount of its 3 pouches strictly exceeds rupee 10. Strictly exceeds rupees 10, that means the number of coins should be more than 10, right? Now see that. More than 10. This is equal to 10. I should not be counting this. This is more than 10, right? 3 plus 2, 1. This is not more than 10. 5 plus, this is more than 10. This is not more than 10. This is more than 10, right? This is not more than 10. This is not more than 10. This is not more than 10. So how many such slots are there? Slot number 1, 2, 3. Only 3 such slots are there where the total amount of money exceeds rupees 10. So the answer is 3. These are the 4 questions of the set. You can see that set was comparatively very easy. It's not difficult. If you compare this set with the other sets of CAT 2019, this set is comparatively quite easy. And you just need to catch the one point, how to make the number as a multiple of 9. That's it. If you catch that point, you can fill this whole matrix quite easily. Must do set for everybody. This will give you an idea what kind of questions are coming in CAT exam. Guys, use my code LRDSMeLive for 10% off. This is my Telegram group. Link is given in the description part of the video, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to get cover 100% syllabus. This is a practice drill 1.0 for CAT 2021 with Samir Sadana getting started on 26th of June. And this, I'm going to take 2 courses, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, 5 days a week, right? Starting from 30th of June, I'll be taking a revision of arithmetic with the help of complete arithmetic, with the help of 500 must-do arithmetic question. We are going to cover 500 questions of arithmetic, and this will comprehensively cover the arithmetic. All type of questions of arithmetic will be covered under this course. It's a must for everybody. And secondly, on Saturday and Sunday, I'll be discussing a course on algebra, right? This will be again a practice session for everybody. In this algebra course, I'll be covering 100 must-do questions on algebra. So I'll be taking 5 workshops of algebra, keeping in mind 20 questions in every session. We are going to cover 100 questions of algebra in this. This is getting started on 26th of June. My classes will start from 30th of June on this course. So you can join Unacademy Plus using my referral code to get 10% off. I'll be mentoring you personally for your CAT exam preparation. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like the video, please share it and like it. And please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and see you in the next part of the video. Thank you.